Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Well, here we are, first major snowstorm of 2024.
Woohoo!
It's heavy wet snow. I don't know how much we got, but looks to be about 8 inches. So let me get my tape measure and let's check. Let's see. Yep, just about 8 inches of heavy wet snow. Oh boy. Okay, let's get some video footage of this snow blowing. I'll have a little tripod in my garage set up, and I'll try and take some video from inside the cab. And all right, let's get started. Okay, let me zoom in here. And as you can see, the snow is almost up to the running boards of our Yukon. So I guess we're gonna have to unbury the cars also. Okay, here I am sitting inside the cab, and I pulled some of the snow away from the car. Probably got about 2 feet of wet snow right there. And all right, let's have some fun, do some snow blowing. all done, as you can see. So yeah, that was a pain in the butt. 8 inches of heavy wet snow, and with the cars driving on it, packing it down made it even more fun. Okay, well, if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching the video. If you would consider giving me a thumbs up, if you found this pretty cool, that'd be nice. And if you would consider subscribing, that'd be even cool too. Alright, I'm going to end it here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. We'll see you in the next video.